All right, so welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're stuck on where to look for contracting opportunities, watch this video for 3 offline marketing strategies that you can use to get the bid opportunities rolling in. These 3 strategies with thousands of customers in my community and clients as well. And now it's your turn. So you're up. If you missed the video where I shared the 3 online marketing strategies that you could use while working on projects to build up some business, working on your business development, then you're going to want to go back and watch that video. I'll put the link down below for you. I got you. Offline marketing strategy number 1 is networking events. If you're in a crunch, if you're wanting cash flow in your business, or you're like, I really want to get the contracts to roll in like yesterday, like I want this to happen as soon as possible, get out your house, get out your office, and go out and network. Because you're meeting people face to face, the like, know, and trust factor can build faster. And you never know who's out there, who you're going to talk to, and who has an opportunity at that very moment. You heard me? So get out and network, right? And of course, you need to know what to say, but you want to get out there and network and meet people and talk to people and see what they're working on. Right? What do they have coming up? How can you help them? How can you support them in delivering their projects? Okay? Get out, start networking. There's plenty of places to go. Trust me, if you search the internet, Google, right? You can look for local events and find somewhere to go. I can guarantee you this week or next week where you can go out and start mingling with people, having conversations, and finding opportunities. I challenge you to do it. All right. The second thing that you can do offline is conferences. Now, I know I just shared networking events, but most events are anywhere from an hour to a few hours, maybe 3 tops. Okay. And that's pushing it. But if you go to a conference, right? Say you go to a 2 or 3-day conference, do you know you're going to see the same people, right, for 3 days? Well, here again, you're even growing the like, know, and trust factor so much faster. You're going to have conversations with people. You may have breakfast, lunch, or dinner with them. Breaking bread is a powerful thing, let me tell you. And so you're having conversations. You're getting to know about people. You're getting a feel for their character, things that they like, they don't like, because in conversation, if you're listening, people will tell you an awful lot. Also, in these conversations, if you're listening, they're going to tell you if they have a contract that they really want to get rid of, but they don't have anybody. And maybe you can fit that need, but you'll never know if you don't have that conversation. They'll also share with you projects that are coming up. So conversations are really, really important, especially if you want to fast track things. All right. So you can definitely search Google again and find conferences to attend in your local area. You don't have to get on a plane or anything like that. Unless you're in a small town or something rural, you may have to, do a little traveling or something like that. Maybe something a couple hours away. I don't know. But there's conferences all around. You just have to find the ones that are right for you. All right. Are you doing offline marketing? I want you to comment below yes or no. No or yes. That's what my son used to say, Freddie, when he was a baby. He asked you something. He was like 2 or 3. He say yes or no. No or yes. So yes or no, no or yes. Down in the comments, I want you to tell me, as of today, of you watching this video right now, are you doing any offline marketing in your business? I want to know. I'm waiting. I'm down there waiting. So the third one is pre-bid meetings. How many of you have went to a pre-bid meeting? Gold mine, come on now. You guys got to get out. At a pre-bid meeting, think about this. If you go to a pre-bid meeting in your local area, maybe you're going and it's not even a project that you're interested in. However, people that do what you do are interested in that particular project. Maybe it's too big for you, right? Or something like that. It's too big or it's too small. I don't know, whatever. But it's not something you are currently ready to bid or able to bid. Maybe you don't have the capacity, right? But your ideal customer is there, right? Subcontractors that you could possibly work with or sub work down to, or companies that you could team with on a project is there. So there's a wealth of opportunity at pre-bid meetings. Again, you can search your customers and see what pre-bid meetings they're holding, right? Now, for those of you that are using FBO.gov, you know, you can look at solicitations, and in the solicitation, they will tell you if there's a pre-bid meeting, when it is, location, blah, blah, blah. And if you need to register, they'll tell you that too. But the thing of it is, you trust me, you can find some pre-bid meetings in your local area, or they may call it a walkthrough or something else. But what it is this customer has an opportunity. They're bringing together a group of people that's interested in bidding on that project or working on that project, and you want to be there, right? Why? Because you can have conversations. You can pick up some leads. You might find someone that have another project outside of the one they're there for, and they need help. They're looking for subcontractors. So pre-bid meetings, add that to your list. If you watched this video through and the other one I referenced, now you know not 3, but you have 6 marketing strategies, right, total for online and offline marketing. But I get it. You might need more. Maybe you want more of what to say. Maybe you want more of things that you can do to drum up some interest, to build up your client base, right? To work on your business development. I got you. I've written a guide. It's called the 5 Tactics to Snag Your Next Contract in 30 Days or Less. It's over on my website, FeliciaStreeter.com, and I'll pop the link down below in the description. So make sure you grab it. It's a free resource, and trust me, it's banging. All right.